of my favorite things to do when I come here is just to sit down and relax, get a couple little snacks.
Yes, afternoon tea.
Cheers.
Cheers. Look at this.
这个
It's
很明确的，来，
one heart and two leaves.
When it's like that, that's when the leaves are the most tender, right? I want to taste it. It doesn't taste anything like tea. It doesn't
But
taste
it
anything like
smells
tea.
good.
It's
It
real
smells- it-
bitter. But it smells great, but it's
对，吃起来不会有那个味。
涩。
涩的。
Oh.
This is a tea factory.
Yeah, actually, this place was back when Japan ruled Taiwan.
Oh.
They had a tea factory here that they would help process the tea, right? Mm-hmm. But then time passed. So what are they gonna do with the building? Of course, they're gonna make it into a place where you can come have tea.
Yes.
Come drink tea. You can have some tea foods that go well with tea. So last time I came here was just wonderful. Also, you can see some of the old tools that they used to use when they would make tea.
Yes. And this place is so peaceful. And I like this building. It looks like a Japanese building.
Yeah, I just said it was from when Japanese ruled Taiwan.
Yes. So it's black.
It's
No.
black.
It's white. It's white.
It's gray.
Gray.
White and gray,
White
right?
and gray. It's so elegant.
It is very elegant, and it's very peaceful, and it's very wonderful, and they have lots of things that we can experience in there, so I'm excited to bring you.
And I thought that drama is filmed here, right?
You mean Gold Leaf?
Yeah.
Yes, of course, that was filmed here, just behind this building. I think you will love it. I can't wait to show you. You're gonna really enjoy it. Ready? Let's go. The old Daxi Tea Factory was built in 1926 and covers an area of 1,670 ping. Formerly known as the Jiaobanxi Factory, hidden in a quiet alley, it is a green building that integrates Taiwanese and Japanese and British styles. When tea exports to Europe and the United States reached their peak, tea was regarded as black gold. Walking in the tea factory clearly feels the atmosphere of the history. There is also a lot of information about tea in the factory to read, but the experience is the best. We're looking for the assistant manager. Where's she at? Oh, hey! Hello. Are you the assistant manager?
Yeah,
Hello,
你好，
hello.
请来这边。
My name is Dooley.
My name is Patty.
Hello，
Hi.
那这边等一下会带各位进行我们茶青萎凋的环节，主要是用来消散水分。那这边操作给你们看一下怎么去把这个茶青铺晒开来，然后做萎凋。
好香哦。
对，我们今天采的是台茶18号，所以香气会比较明确一点。
所以它现在是刚采完，然后放上去，在做什么事吗？
消散水分。
哦，消散水。
对，让水分流失掉之后会变得比较软烂。
哦。
So you're gonna take us through the whole process of how you make the tea, like from the time when you start drying it and then grinding it, all that, or what?
是在这边是整个流程都会在这里进行啊。
对，全部的环节都在这个地方完成。
Oh,
Wow, so cool.
可以看一下。
So
你可以在这边找一下。
one heart, two leaves.
对对对
It。smells good.
Oh, you think this one is it? No. 这是一心三叶。
对，那你可以看，
你看，look at this.
这个
It's
很明确的，来，
one heart and two leaves.
一心二叶，
一心二叶。
对，像这样
Oh,
one heart
like
and
this
two
one.
leaves.
心，然后往下推2个叶子，
So it's the best.
对，这是最好的。
这是最棒的。
Yeah, she said that when they have the two leaves and the one
one
sticking out
stick
here,
out? Yeah.
一心两叶，这是一心两叶，是不是？
对。
When it's like that, that's when the leaves are the most tender, right?
对，
哦
香气是最嫩的。
然后而且是最应该说最嫩的。
对，它的
最嫩
心是最嫩，它的
Tender
香气比较淡雅清香，
Now, when it's like this, can you taste it?
这是可以稍微吃的吗？不
吃
行。
起来应该没有味道，而且会苦苦的。
但是不会生病吧？要摸摸 Will it make me sick?
不会。
我们是可以试
Yeah,
看
I
吗？
want to taste it.
如果你不害怕的话，
Oh, I'm not
这
afraid.
是有洗过了吧？没有。
对，不会。它就
It doesn't taste anything like tea. It doesn't
But
taste
it
anything like
smells
tea.
good.
It's
It
real
smells-
bitter. But it smells great, but it's
对，吃起来不会有那个味道。
This place is refreshing me.
涩。
涩涩的。
Oh, it makes my mouth feel like
I
this.
told you. I told you. I
It's just like
told you.
it's like I ate a whole stick of chalk. It's all in my mouth. Oh my gosh. I often drink tea in Taiwan, but it's really the first time to eat tea. The tender leaves of the tea smell very nice, but it tastes really, well, it would be better to make it into tea. But visiting here is a good experience. Not only can you get closer to the tea making process from a short distance, you can also experience eating tea that you never thought about. Okay, we should take a serious look at the tea making process. All right, so you're gonna want to take us through the process of like where do we start with the tea
我
leaves?
们的那个制茶过程会怎么样？
我们现在开始第一个动作，我们先进行萎凋这个环节，让水分流失掉。所以我们会先把茶青这样子均匀的撒在我们的佳粒上面，让它平铺撒在它，不能集中一层涂，因为这样集中的话，它的水分流失不顺利，香气就会被闷住，
Okay.
香气就比较浓。
Okay, so the first step is just spread all the tea leaves out like this so you can let the water start to evaporate, right? But you can definitely not put them all in one big pile like this because how's the water gonna get through? So the water comes out through the top or through the bottom or it goes all around to circulate, right?
就是要让水分流失掉。
从上下左右要让它
对对对，让它均匀的散开来。
It is not enough to have a perfect one heart and two leaves. The production process of tea from sunlight withering, indoor withering, and stir fixation, stir frying, rolling, primary drying, mass rolling, re-drying, roasting, to refining tea. Each process requires a lot of effort to get a good cup of tea. I witnessed it with my own eyes today, and I can see that it is not easy. Of course, I will come and taste the tea first. One of my favorite things to do when I come here is just to sit down and relax, get a couple little snacks.
Yes, afternoon tea.
Oh, it's just like a little afternoon tea. So we got a couple things here that are my favorite. So this is a tea egg. I'm sure you had that. They have those all over Taiwan, right?
Oh, 茶叶蛋
Yeah.
in a convenience store.
You can get them in convenience stores, you can get them in restaurants, but this is a really different flavor. When you taste it, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. You're gonna like really taste the flavor of the tea that they cook it in.
Okay.
All right, and then this one here is a honey flavored black tea.
Honey flavored black tea. 蜜香红茶.
Yeah. Because when you think about a honey flavored black tea, you think, oh, maybe they put some honey in it. But no, there's not that.
No, the leaves has honey.
You know why?
Flavor.
Remember we were talking to the assistant manager and she was telling us that those tea leaves got bitten by a special bug?
Yes.
This is that tea. We're so lucky to be able to try this. And then, of course, you got to have a little something sweet.
Yes.
A little something sweet. So we got a little cake. So
Let's start.
Yeah. What do you want to enjoy first?
How about the tea?
Okay. We'll start with the tea. Cheers.
Cheers.
You can sit in the beautiful tea factory and enjoy afternoon tea. The angle of the sun shining in is just right. Let's take it sip by sip. Doesn't it taste different?
Oh, so different.
So different. It is packed full of flavor. Usually I don't even eat the tea eggs like at a convenience store. I won't buy those.
It's different. It's different thing.
It's a
Totally different.
whole different world. This one has
Totally different thing.
it almost has a sweetness to it also, doesn't it?
Yes.
This one's good. And it's not dry. Sometimes when you get to the yolk,
It's very juicy.
yeah, you get to the yolk and
I
you
like
think, oh,
this.
why is it so dry? You don't have that problem here. That is delicious. And then you have a little bit of this, and then you have the tea, and then you're like, wow.
I like this.
Oh, it's like heaven, isn't it? Next time you can come here and bring yourself a book
Okay.
or a magazine
Yes.
and just sit outside with cool weather. I love to do that. It's one of my favorite pastimes here. The generation is changing, and the people's preferences are also changing. But Daxi Tea Factory has been working hard to connect closely with the land of Taiwan. The old tea factory operated 3 shifts a day, and the machines were running non-stop day and night. The rich needle black tea could reach as much as 600 tons per year.